Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to start a free e-commerce store using Ecwid in 2025 step by step. So step 1, sign up for Ecwid's free plan and set up your store profile. Step 2, add your first product, upload image, description, and set the price. Step 3, customize your storefront look via Ecwid's storefront designer. Step 4, connect payment methods like PayPal, Stripe, or manual payments, whatever you prefer. And step 5, embed the EasyWid storefront on your site or use the free EasyWid hosted page. Step 6, test a sample order to confirm everything is working. And then you're alive with a free store, easy and effective. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.